on, Luna. Jump. Jump. There you go. Come on. Come on, Hank. Jump. Good boy. All right, you guys have a seat. Good morning. Yep, this is a short video to eyeball the Model Y. You know, I just got back from a 3,700 mile trip to Wyoming. Drove a lot of 2-lane roads in the process, and we're going to look over some of the stuff that happened to it in the form of damage. I'm here with Luna and Hank, and they're in the car with me, and we're going to pull it out in the sun. We'll go over it real quick and have a look. Yes, here is the Model Y. 3,700 miles to Wyoming and back, and it fared just fine. So let's have a close look at the Model Y now. All right, let's have a look at the outside here. As you can see, yeah, we've got quite a bit of dust and dirt right here in the vacuum part of the back of the car. Most of that dirt's probably from Wyoming. Other than the dirt, I really don't see anything wrong with the car here on the back. Let's walk around the side. Remember, it had a ton of dust, even in the wheels. In fact, when we look in the wheels, you can see there's still a lot of Wyoming dust there from all those off-road tests that I did. But eventually that'll get washed out when I wash the car. We eyeball the side of the car. It's dirty. And one thing that we're going to look at here is this dent right here in the lower left rear quarter panel of this door. And we'll get to that in a minute. But looking at the rest of the car, it fared pretty well. Remember all the bugs there on the front? Well, those bugs are now been washed off thanks to the XPEL paint protection film and the ceramic coating. As we can see here, all those bugs that gave up their life here on the front of the car have all been washed off. I haven't yet washed the car, so after I wash the car, it should come clean. Take a look here at this side. Hank and Luna are in the car, and we've got dog mode on. As you see, it's just dirty. Looks pretty good. This back right tire, of course, is the one that I replaced in Knoxville. It's a Goodyear, where the other ones are Pirelli, but that was my only choice. But the car fared pretty well. The rain washed off the bulk of everything, driving in the rain and having it rain on me, and that's okay. All right, let's look at a couple of the problems that happened in the drive. Let's look here in this door first. Yeah, at this angle, you can see the dent there, can't you? Let me zoom in. Yeah, look at that. That happened when I passed one of those big trucks going north from Hayes on the way to Ogallala. And it was a big bang that happened. Let's have a little closer look at that. Yeah, so let me wash this. Don't freak out. Remember, I've got paint protection film and ceramic coating on it. It's not going to hurt anything. If I do happen to scratch the surface, once the paint protection film warms up, it will then make all those scratches that I'm creating from rubbing dust into the surface off. All right, we get a little bit better view. Let's see if I can even focus this. This is hard. It's a mirrored surface. There we go. Let me see if I can zoom in here a little bit. Yeah, it's kind of nasty there, isn't it? You can see the paint protection film has been cut away. Get my fat finger out of there. Well, it did what it's supposed to. It helped protect the side of the car. However, the dent's still there, and the dent's going to probably stay there. It might have just been my window instead of the side of the car. So I have to count my blessings there. Again, that happened north of Hayes on the 2-lane road on the way to Ogallala. A lot of you guys remember just before the trip, I went down to the Tesla store. Besides getting a couple other things fixed, I got a new windshield. Remember that big old crack that started from the right side? Well, guess what? You're looking at yet another chip. Yep, another rock on some road, and I don't really remember. I think it happened in Wyoming, but I couldn't tell you. I heard it hit. I didn't know what it was. So let's take a little closer view of this. It might be better there. So it's a chip. You can see the rock hit it, and it fractured into the top layer, no problem. I am going to call the insurance company and get them to come and fill that. If I can fill that, it may save the window for a number of miles left. Little minor chip right here, as you can see. But when you travel on the roads, this is what you can expect. I know a lot of you have had your windows broken, but those two things, as best I can tell, other than the flat tire, are the only things that happened in 3,700 miles on back roads. So I have to count my blessings. I know a lot of you wondered exactly how the Model Y held up going to Wyoming and back. And as you can see, held up awesome. So I have no complaints. Hank and Luna wanted to go for a car ride, so we came out, drove about 30 feet, and they're sound asleep here. I've got dog mode on, and as you know or don't know, dog mode keeps the inside of your car at 70 degrees and is designed to keep your pets in the car with the windows closed and keeping them nice and cool or nice and warm at an even temperature while you're gone doing your errands inside of the store or wherever you're going. If you like this video, go ahead and click the like, click subscribe, and don't forget the bell icon to not miss anything going forward. If you'd like to buy yourself a Tesla, the referral link shown here at the bottom of the screen gets you 1,000 miles or 1,500 kilometers of free supercharging. Thanks for watching this short video. I'll look for you again and take care.